In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize news feeds in the Edge browser in just a few easy steps. If you've been opening new tabs and seeing stories that don't match your interests, this guide will help you change that so your Edge news feed shows topics you actually want to see. It's quick, simple, and you don't need any advanced settings or extra tools. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge and go to a brand new fresh tab. This is important because the news feed and personalization options usually appear on the new tab page. Once the page loads, look for the Personalize icon. It usually looks like a little star and pen icon, and that's the button you need to customize your feed. Click that Personalize icon and Edge will open the customization options for your news content. From here, you'll be able to choose the topics you want to follow. You might see categories like technology, business, sports, entertainment, health, or other interests. Browse through the available topics and select the ones that match what you actually want to read. This helps Edge learn what kind of content to show you more often. If you want to narrow things down, choose only the most relevant topics. If you want a broader feed, you can select multiple categories. You can also adjust other personalization settings depending on what Edge shows you on your version of the browser. The goal here is to make the news feed feel more useful and more relevant every time you open a new tab. Once you've chosen your desired topics, simply save or close the personalization panel depending on what appears on your screen. In many cases, your changes will apply automatically, so you may not need to do anything else. After that, open another new tab to see your updated feed in action. You should now notice that the stories and articles better match the topics you selected. If you ever want to change it again later, just go back to a fresh tab, click the Personalize icon, and update your preferences anytime. And that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to customize the news feeds in Edge browser in a few simple clicks. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.